Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be an office tour. We have a patient in here. We're just going to be closing the curtains so we do not interrupt her. So, yeah, that's the door right there. We have a lot of supplies under the bed for some people. I just had to do it so you wouldn't see her. There's actually someone in here if you hear her breathing. Hear her? Yeah. So, yeah, this is not really an office tour, it's just here with me. Are you doing okay? Okay. I have a desktop. My office is to that door and then right there. But this is mostly the supplies room, which of course there's a patient in there, so yeah. I'm gonna go quickly change her bandages. So, yeah. Doing alright, Colleen? Do you need help with anything? Just put the bandage on. Now, it looks like that is opening. So we're going to have to put those splinter things, the splinter holders, and then some band-aids over it, okay? So, yeah, if you heard.
Oh, son of a bitch.
So, we're going to kind of show you the supplies that we keep under the bed. So, it's going to be hard, but we're going to try to show you it. So, we're going to show you what it looks like under the bed. I know I'm saying that a lot lately. That was the straightener. No, I mean the curling iron. So I'm going to show you what it looks like under the bed so we can look at the supplies. And it looks... Okay, so first things first, we have a bed skirt on ours. Just to make it look more prettier. Then it's a dark hole in here. It literally is a dark hole. So that's why we have flashlights for. Don't work. Of course. So this is what the bed skirt looks like. It's just a normal bed skirt. And then under here, yeah, it's a black hole. You guys can't really see it. But there's a lot of boxes of supplies. Then we have like 5 different, here, look, we have like 5 different comforters in case an accident happens. Like that one right there. Like that one right there that I made a sound out of. Yeah, we have like a ton down there. My patient's probably like, what the heck? So, oh, and we have like, look, we have like 5 comforters, but we have like 12 sheets. Because that's what most of the leakage is, just on the sheets, because most people just go on the sheets, not really the blankets, because sometimes it is kind of hot in here. But I don't want to show her, because we have a remote for the AC. I can turn it on if I want, but I really don't want to. Okay. So yes, in the patient's room, we have a couch. I know I have a lot of stuff on it, but yeah. Then outside of the window, you see a pool, a picnic table, a trampoline, and like a flower bed, but can't really see it that well. So now I really don't want to show the patient. We're gonna see if he is out here by opening the blinds. No, he's not out here. Closing them again. So when you open it out here, it's like a bay, almost. There's like flower beds, a bunny rabbit, all kinds of stuff. Suitcases, a lot of suitcases, a little living area. It's really cool out here. I love it. A pool table. There's someone out there. Can't show that. Sorry. A sign that shows howdy partner. So at a bench if they're like walking and then they're like, oh god, I need a break. They can just sit right there and have stuff because she put it there. A movie. There's all kinds of movies in there. It's pretty loud. And then down here, it's just like CDs. So then we have quite a lot to decor and mints. So that's basically it for the patient's room. I don't want to show my office because I'm packing my office right now because I'm moving into a different office. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just joking. Do you think it's really over yet? No, not even close. So first things first, what we have in when you are sitting is regularly a box from the AT&T company, or it's filled with supplies, and we order some supplies. Like, we order supplies basically every day. Then we have the AT&T internet. Not internet, but we're working on getting internet here. I hate all cords that are here. I hate it. But then, of course, we have a tower. Then we have a sign that says, I hurt my sister, which my sister gave it to me, saying she loves me. Oh, and then just behind it, it's the speakers, so. I just have a notebook writing down every single person that comes here. I'm like in the last couple of pages. So that's my 5th notebook I had. So yeah. Are you sure you're okay, ma'am? Okay. So then under, I have a refrigerator. We just have like applesauce, Jello, cranberry juice, stuff like that. And then as soon as you come into my office, you see my calculator. Now this is literally for, I'm sorry if someone walks in, I'm really sorry. So this is what the calculator looks like. And this is a guide for us at the hospital. It shows us how to calculate all the bills. So then this is a Pocket Handyman IV feet inch metric calculator. So first thing, it has an on clear, it says on/C, which is on/clear, and then it's at off. It has weights, sir, and then it has CO, SQM, feet, inches. So let's turn this on and do feet. 12 feet divided by 3.
You got detergent you want me to do? You want Olivia's
36 feet.
laundry?
So
How's
it's
I just got there.
36
it's all
feet.
coming open.
Oh,
Like
okay.
I knew it was gonna. From probably here where it ends all the way to here. I got 2 places, both about that big, where they're open.
Is anything oozing out of it? Anything coming out of it?
so then
When I look at the bandage, when I take it off, it looks yellow.
I have some mechanical
Using
pencils.
But when I just
doctors
look at it
write
like this, after
a lot. So I keep that basically next to my desktop at all times.
and
Then I
can
have
see
a
where there's-
curling iron.
I don't know, it looks like a tiny white string to me. He said it's probably where they stitched me on the inside. I don't know if that's what it is or not. It almost looks like a little tendon or something to me.
So
Runs all the way down.
this is when
Did you talk to him today?
when they
No.
finally get out of the hospital. We style them up, curl
What are you
their
going to do? Are you going
hair.
to call him tomorrow, or are you going to wait till Wednesday to see him?
It's just said, keep it clean, keep it bandaged. Don't go to the ER because you just have a bill and they're not going to be able to do anything for you. And I'll see you Wednesday.
Once it starts oozing out all kinds of stuff, then you got to go.
Yeah, it really
This
doesn't
is what
look,
it looks like.
you
So
know, all that
we just
bad,
we
like
kind
it's
of put it in the
real
supplies
infected.
under
I
there.
mean, it's red around it, but I think part of that is just because it's a
It looks
scar.
like
Oh,
You
yeah.
know, the
Oh my
pinkish
God.
looking
Yeah,
scar-like
Yeah.
stuff.
yeah, part of the healing process.
So this
Yeah.
is the
Basis.
straightener that we have. Not straightener, curling iron that we
Where'd you
use a
say it
lot.
was?
Oh, it's on the couch.
Okay. Where's your laundry basket?
I know, it's just that bag, that duffel bag
Oh, right
looking.
here. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So we have the curling iron. Then we have this.
Well, try not to let it
ice
get to you.
pack.
I know it's aggravating and you just want to be
it's
better, but
I know.
So we
just kind
have
of gotta
this
take
ice
it as
pack.
it comes right now, you know.
It's from
So far,
Cold
things
Gear?
have been going pretty good in the healing area, so this just might be a little bump in the road. Maybe it's something, maybe he'll say it's nothing, or whatever. Maybe he'll know because he knows what he's done inside.
Yeah.
You know, he knows
So-
what to expect, and he's done these surgeries
This actually
all the
goes
time.
to a water
I
bottle.
myself, I probably wouldn't know what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
You know, only
So-
thing I'm gonna know is the same thing you're gonna be able to spot out if there's an infection there.
I'm sure he's gonna probably numb me, give me a couple of shots in my belly, numb me, put a few more stitches in. You know, maybe
Just
this
so,
time give me a
like-
couple antibiotics.
Like
Yeah,
if you
right.
put it on your
I don't know
face,
why
it's
he hasn't
straight.
even suggested that.
Since you've had your surgery,
like a
you've not had any
knee, it
antibiotics.
can hold it.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. I would think
But
that's
I
protocol.
like that it's like all straight.
Yeah.
Like
and
straight,
like
straight.
you say, I don't really know either.
So
Maybe it was because
we keep this in the
Maybe
refrigerator.
because of the pre-med antibiotics you took beforehand.
you're right.
Mm-hmm.
And
'Cause
he
it's
didn't want me
cold.
to get
We're gonna put this in the
for them not to do any
supplies
good
Right.
down
Right.
under
with
the
pain
bed.
pills and
Yeah.
you know, I don't know if that has anything to do with
So,
it.
then we have a lot
Well,
of
just try to take it
CDs
easy.
from
You don't
all
want
of our
nothing to break open
patients.
for sure.
Yeah,
between
these are
now
like-
and then.
There's
Yeah.
like
All right. Well, I'm gonna get started
20
on you
patients in
ladies'
each
laundry.
CD,
Alright,
and there's a
honey.
lot of CDs. So, the CDs, I don't know really where to put them. Probably in the supply box down below.
Do you think I should put Lily's tennis shoes in the laundry?
So, I'm just looking through some papers, y'all. So, then we have a certificate for like that. Here, Colleen, you can quickly go. I don't have you on camera.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ooh. You could have saw that. Whatever. We put that right there, my certificate. We have batteries because most of the time for our machines, we need batteries. So I just put it right there.
Colleen, you don't have any bleach, do ya? Cause you know with him turning that softener off, yeah, the water is pretty yellow. I've been using bleach for my whites, and I'll just run a load of whites.
Don't put my tennis shoes with the
We're washing your tennis shoes though.
Don't put bleach with my tennis shoes because all the red will get out. So then I have more certificates. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye bye.